Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living. My name is Gary, and today we're doing a simple product review on a pizza. I bought this today at Sprouts for about $12. Not inexpensive, but it's 100% vegan. It says on there, Clo-Clo Delectably Vegan Meatless Pepperoni. Normally I don't do that. I don't usually buy full meats, but I thought today we've been doing our chores all morning long. We'd add a little fun. So it's non-GMO, gluten-free, dairy-free, salt-free, and egg-free. What's left? That's what we're going to find out about. Come and see this quick product review. I'll show you how I stick it in the oven. I'll cut it up in bite sizes. I'll tell you about the nutritional facts and some little stories they have back here. Keep you entertained while this is going on. All right, we'll see in a little bit.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food, plant-based lifestyle.
Alright, so this is plant-based, and you set your oven at 475 degrees. So we're going to do that first. And then it says here, like all pizzas, you always put them in your center rack. It tells you place frozen pizza on center rack. And then it says bake for 15 minutes. How easy is that? It says here it's distributed by Clo-Clo Vegan Foods in Minnesota. Give you all that detail by then. There's an expiration date, and mine expires March 6, 2022. They sold us expired pizza. I think we'll see if the other one's expired too.
$12.99 for these. They should not be expired.
No. Both of
Oh,
these.
wait. October 21st,
Oh, it is.
2022.
All right, so we're going to be able to eat the Italian sausage, but we're not going to be able to eat the meatless pepperoni, which is a real bummer. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing. Ingredients are identical. Let's double check. Yep, 475 center rack, 15 minutes. And it also tells you it's gluten-free, egg-free, dairy-free, Lupin-free. I don't know what that is, but I'll look it up. Seafood-free, peanut-free, soy-free, and sesame-free. All right, so we're going to open it up. And it looks like this. So, with little small pieces of faux meat, or in this case, faux sausage. All right, so we're going to wait for the oven to get to its temperature. You'll see me put it in, and then you'll see me pull it out. So see you in a few minutes. Okay, so it's without saying, when you buy these pizzas, they put in a plastic wrapper on it. You don't want to cook that in your oven. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use a metal pan, because I just love to clean my oven. So instead of using the cardboard, we're just going to take the cardboard off like this. Now I didn't realize that this is a cauliflower based pizza. I don't really like cauliflower base. I mean, I like cauliflower, I just don't like it in my pizza. But we're gonna try it out anyway. And we're gonna put this in the center rack and set the timer for 15 minutes. We will let you know how it turns out. All right, so the buzzer just rang. We're gonna turn that off. And we're going to wear oven mitts because I have this thing about getting burnt.
Yeah, he doesn't like it.
All right, so it looks like it's pretty nice. It's a nice flavor, a nice touch. Let me show you. It looks like this. Without dropping it, that is. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to cut it right here, and this will be our serving plate right over here. So we can move this a little bit over. Like that. I'm going to use a chef knife. Oh, gee whiz, what a surprise, it's hot. You know?
How many minutes was it in the oven?
15. Okay. Alright, so this is how it works. This one here has 2 servings, so that's 2 servings, and it's 320 calories. But if you decide to eat the entire pizza, it's 640 calories. Now, the bad thing I see is I see a lot of ingredients on here. I mean, a lot of ingredients. So I'll list that, of course. And but it does look like a tasty pizza, which we're going to test for you right now. Now, if you follow the starch solution, this is not your pizza. There's oil in this pizza. And let's see if I can find all the different types of oil. There's olive oil, sunflower oil, truffle oil, I don't know why you need that, truffle flavor, then the meatless sausage itself as pea oil, coconut oil, and it goes on and on and on. Okay, so, but let's see how it tastes. You have to remember this. This is Sprouts $12 pizza, and it's an unusual one because it's vegan. It is definitely not like the pizzas that have cheese all over it, real meat.
But does it taste good?
It's all right. Like the saying goes, nothing to write about, right?
Nothing to write home about?
Nothing to write home about. It's okay. It's not fabulous, it's just okay. And the real problem is because vegan cheese has got a lot of coconut in it, and it usually has a high melting point, and that's usually the problem with it. It's okay, it's well seasoned, but it's not something I would ever buy again. And as you know, I have one to return that was completely expired. Something else that from now on I'm gonna have to start paying attention to. Thanks for watching this quick product review on Clo-Clo Delectable Vegan Pizza. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Bye-bye now. You want to bite any?
No.
Not even my wet function. I bet the dogs would need it too.
Yeah, this is really good food.
If you like what you see, subscribe. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up.